Hello, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on ancient history, the Mauryan dynasty. The Mauryan dynasty was between 324 BC to 187 BC. The earliest known Mauryan emperor was Bimbisara, according to Puranas. Three major rulers were there: Chandragupta Maurya, Bimbisara, and Ashoka. The Chandragupta Maurya was held by Kautilya Chanakya. His seat of power was at Patliputra, now Patna. More means peacock, full of peacocks. The name is Maurya. Trade flourished in his Chandragupta Maurya's time. Uh, Money came into picture. Previously, it was barter system. Taxation came into use. In his old age, he became Jain and went to Chandragiri Hills. Chandragupta Maurya was succeeded by Bindusara. According to Greece, he was described as Amritso Sutra. He was succeeded by Ashoka, the the great king of Mauryan Empire. Climax reached during Ashokan time. Uh, he fought Kalinga War and killed 99 brothers and except Tisa. He was helped by Buddhagupta, the minister of Bindusara. 14 major rock edicts of Ashoka were major inspiration to lead religious life. Social welfare was his motto. Uh, According to Ashoka, Ashoka means happy. Person without sorrow has sold the name. He had the greatest territories, North India, entire North India except South, Syria, Turkey, Belgium. I'll give you more information later. Thank you.